me if you can, you name the boat, you have the speed. Them a pamphlet and want to test the great encyclopedia. So now, give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. Give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. Give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. Give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. If you coulda control time, what would you do? If you coulda control time, what would you do? If you coulda control time, what would you do?
Look at you, looking at me. Look at you, looking at me.
If you coulda control time, what would you do?
Now I know why they say the best things are free.
If you have eternal life, would you win or lose?
I look at you, looking at me.
If you coulda control time, how would you move?
Now I know why they say the best things are free.
As everyone you love, if you
I look at you, looking at me.
me the pan the case like Miss Nita, 6 liter, box speed meter, big speaker. Hey, share me here, say you tell your friends, say no play it, cartel, you man go get till him breathe. Hey, share me here, say you tell your friends, say no play it, cartel, you man go get till him breathe.
Now I know why they say the best things are free.
Give thanks in life, our life over death. Ever grateful, celebrate every breath.
I look at you, looking at me.
Sunrise, oh I'm so blessed. We light all I am head. So now, give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. So now, give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. One day we must. So now, give it to your raw like chicken in a Kentucky. One day we must. One day we must. One day we must. Oh 5 till no more will the leader. Oh 5 till no more will the leader. Oh 5 till no more will the leader. Catch me if you can, you name the boat and have the speed. Catch me if you can, you name the boat and have the speed. One day we must. Catch me if you can, you name the boat and have the speed. Them a pamphlet and want to test the great encyclopedia.
Now I know why they say the best things are free.
Them a pamphlet and want to test the great encyclopedia.
I look at you, looking at me.
One day we must. One day we must. One day we must. One day we must. Give it to your bride like. 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 Poor like aging, straight like daring. Poor like aging, poor like aging, poor like aging, straight like daring. Here like daring, face and date. Poor like aging, straight like daring. Fuck daylight saving. Fuck daylight saving.
Now I know why they say the best things are free.
Give it to your bride like poor like aging. Fuck daylight saving. Fuck daylight saving. Fuck daylight saving. Late night raving. Vybz making great.
This man was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
I look at you, looking at me.
Yeah, my people, yo, you see that one day effective. Anytime me have something interesting, something where you have your interest, something exciting, something riveting. Yo, anytime me have a strong news, you see my intro, it's leprosy. Always have to forward out. Good, you see me? Yeah, man, it always have to forward out. Good, you see it? I'm going to tell you right now, we have something very interesting, something riveting, something to tell. This is news. Because guess what? This is like no news to us, but we know it is news and should be considered big news for most of you viewers, seeing we have view. Because no found no overs the levels of Vybz Kartel thing. You see me? To the great Monica of a respond to Vybz Kartel post. When Vybz Kartel just play some Monica music. We not talk the instrument harmonica. But even though she is a her and a her, cause Jamaica we refer to woman as har, H-A-R, as well as H-E-R. So harmonica is not an instrument right now. The harmonica we are talking about right now is a beautiful American black princess. And we can say empress, because you see me a big woman, but she looks so young. We can use both terms to, refer to her. Yeah, you don't know the princess / empress, you see me? Yeah, me I tell you, say, them levels of woman here where we are talking about etiquette. You get what me I say? Class. Yeah, them woman here you have a treasure, you see me? They've been through it, them know the history, you see me? They are angelic beings when it comes to singing. You see me? You hear about Monica and you hear about Brandy and them woman there. You see me? Some of the first black woman them. Big up to Whitney Houston still. You see me? I say, yeah, we not gonna left out Whitney or type, but me I tell you, say these woman and big up Celine Dion, cause these were the woman with that angelic voice in the late 80s and 90s, probably early 80s too, cause I'm not gonna tell you when I'm born still, but I can tell you, say as a baby, I have recognized these ladies, you understand, and their beautiful voice. I remember I was a baby. I don't even think I was able to talk as yet, like to speak, but I remember music playing, right? And Monica, I had grown old enough to have found out that music that I had loved when I was a baby, one of them was Monica's own. You get me? Because there's a few soul music and the RnB and the lovers rock type of music that had deeply impacted my life as a child. Like we touch deep in my soul. You see me? And TLC, the don't go chasing waterfall. Listen to the rivers and the lake that you used to. You know what I'm saying? So those songs really connect deep within me, and the reason why I don't want to sing the Monica song because I don't want to surprise, because I'm going to make it play, you see me? But them song are a big song, and I hit Vybz Kartel a playing on the background while he made his post about it, and I make the world know say him is a 90s junkie, because the 90s music and the 90s era, it that stand out to his memories the most, it seems. Which we can hand overs, because those were the year gearing up to his success year, to his successful decades of the 2000 and the new millennium where everything go on. You see me? That's why I'm telling you, say, seal it, that Gaza Nation are the revelation. Gaza Nation, they on every station. Gaza Nation of every nation. Gaza Nation are the revelation. You see me? Yeah, man, so no joke, no doubt about it. You see me? And me I tell you say yo, we're proud for have this now, if we can show now, because I tell you, say these things not really as shocking to us as we know it's shocking to you viewers who are viewing, you see me? Because young, a lot of and a lot of too wasn't paying attention from back in the days when these things were made to know that Vybz Kartel have deeply planted himself, pivoted himself and his name, especially the scenery amongst these famous Hollywood stars and celebrities. You see me? Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel cemented his name all across. That's why I think, if them woman I rate Vybz Kartel, so the world will rate Kartel and for see and acknowledge Kartel and for recognize Kartel. Believe, no. You see me? So big up to Alkaline still we forward at Jamaica, but them man the things were greater, you see me? Recognition and normal. So let me read the thing for as we can share it, you see me? Let me see if I can play it first and then we can read the post out loud, you see it? things are free. Yeah. Angel of mine. I wanna know everything. Big song, big tune, a big tune. Yeah, man. So Vybz Kartel post that. You see me? Vybz Kartel post that song they play a fear song, Monica. You see me? Yeah, man. Sweet harmonica. So, it seems a long time I follow her still, you know, always for years I noticed that she have the Denise on her name. So I could look up her real name because now that we have the opportunity and have the chance of learning, let us see Monica, the singer. Okay, that was all cap. Yeah, Monica, the singer. Full name Monica Denise Arnold. Okay, so Denise is her middle name. We found that out. Monica's full name. Now let us get into this. I'm gonna tell you something about her. See, Monica's full name, right, is Monica Denise Arnold, American singer, songwriter, and actress known for her contribution to the RnB genre and her hit singles such as The Boy Is Mine and Angel of Mine. That's what we're singing. Angel of Mine. I thought that you say that you didn't know me, but I see you and you didn't see me. Now every time when you're mine, angel or mine, angel or fly. I know that I look like the Grim Reaper, so I shouldn't be singing about angels, because we're two opposition, but angels are mine. Yeah, harmonica. Yeah, Jamaican I forgot call her harmonica. You see me, that we are gonna call her. Because of the universe of name her that she sings so beautifully well, so astoundingly, profoundly, astonishment has taken a hold on me beautifully well type of singing. You know? Yes. It grabs you, and you grasp it. Okay? It's like raspberry juice. Yeah, so Monica Denise Arnold, formerly Brown. Okay, so formerly Brown, so married thing. Zane? The married thing gave her the Arnold, I would assume. So she was formerly Brown. Back in the days, right? So she was born October the 24th. My brother born the 25th. So see it, we're closely tied. She was born 1980. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yo, I would never thought she's very young. She's very, very, very young. She's very young. She's just 10 years older than y'all that born in the 90s. Okay? Yeah, so she's best known mononymously as Monica, is an American singer, songwriter, and actress born and raised in College Park, Georgia. She began performing as a child and joined a traveling. Hey, where she's born in Georgia, those time, she's a strong one. She has to be a strong one. She have endured, and we know her parents, and she's from such bloodline. Her parents have to, had fought and been through that era of, the racism and all those fights and the history. So she's definitely a strong one, you know what I'm saying? That is a good sign right there. So that's the connection I've been teaching y'all, that strong people always link and connect with other strong individual, right? Unlike the fact that someone like as weak as Wisdom, right? If you're following my video, you would know who Wisdom is from the JA Radio. He should name CA Radio because he's a Canadian now, right? So that Wisdom guy, because he ain't got no wise mind. So the Wisdom guy, he's attracted to the weak flying mosquito. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but strong people connect to strong people. Okay? And there you go. So let us read her posts here. Okay, because she starred in a lot of movie, guys. She's a big actress. She could have stick with any career she'd like, you know. Now she's just relaxing, enjoying her, you know. What do you say? The fruits of her labor, I'd say. Yeah. So after Vybz Kartel made that post, she commented on the post saying, "Okay, K, 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 K." She went screaming. She's like, "Okay, K, 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 K." Right? Don't you guys now go get all offended because of all these K's, you know, and it may remind us of those days of the racists, you know, that we just spoke about. But everything has to connect, you know, the dots are just connecting because we just spoke about those KKK days. Now we're seeing it on replay here, you know, at least she used 4 of them because she's a step ahead of them, you know. So Monica Denise Arnold, you know, was formerly Brown, had made a comment to Vybz Kartel post saying, "Okay, K, 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 K." She went screaming, saying, "Vybz, love, 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 hearts, 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 Monica Bomba Clad." You know, she's screaming her whole name. And she's like, "Yo, it's the great Vybz Kartel enjoying my music. This real gangster Jamaican shatter who, you know, who has retired and living large and has been blessed and who have made it through, you know, the real shatter, not like Sprague Benz, the carbon copier, you know what I mean? And Assassin who were the movie shatters." And then, hey, yo, that was crazy because, you know, I felt some type of way in the days, right? Because I'm telling you, I'm from the days when people would use all type of artists to go against Vybz Kartel. When Vybz Kartel had murder assassin, you know, in the game, you know, right? People would say, "But Kartel isn't bigger than Assassin because Assassin starred in Shatter movie and Ray that movie." Until we see them couldn't call Assassin name again. They went for everyone to lower Vybz Kartel name and, you know, to try to degrade him and to make him seem less of their favorite or whosoever. Because they don't really have a favorite, you know. They have a lot of fans who just live to tear down the greatest of the greatest. You know what I mean? If you're not the greatest, they won't hate you that much. And you know what I mean? They won't even pay you any mind. But when you're the greatest and you deserve all the love that they hate that you're receiving, you know what I mean? And the loyalty, they live on because that's the energy that drive them, their ego. They know not what they do and know not what they have done. They know not what they're doing. So it's just a going to the past, present, currently, and the future tense, right? Because as I tell you, know, social media would represent the past tense. I'm not really talk about this in a good while because remember, you know, right now, this is the past, and when you get it, at the future, you get it. Because I've conducted this probably an hour or 30 minutes before you guys actually getting it, right? Or being able to see it uploaded. And even if we go live on social media, it's still like a glitch of half a second. No matter how well the connection is, it's still in the past, you know? So, social media is that matrix that represents the past. Right? It's still a world we connected and tie ourselves to, the digital world, right? Where we become synthetic. Okay? Now, in the present time, that is what Tommy Lee calls the gift, the present time. It is the time what you make useful to do all that you do. And as what Sean Storm said, Zane, no do fall in a ja eyesight. You see me? No do fall in a eyesight, yeah. In that big song that we him do. You see me? So yeah, Tommy Lee make know say the gift is the present time because it control the future time and the past time and all time, the present time, which is now. You get me? And the future tense is that world where the energy lives, all the hate and the love that people have for you, and let it out into the world. That operates on a futuristic type of realm, because we can't see that energy until it 360 and come right around to whosoever the hate or the love is projected to. You know what I mean? Because they say love conquers all, but also hate carry damage and do a lot of damages, right? So if someone have hatred towards you and you don't know, it's gonna take a time for you to find out, and you will if you're highly intelligent, right? And you may not, because depending how discreet this person is and depending how low of an IQ you are, you may just be blinded to all the red flags. You know, we see a lot of people who are blinded by the red flags until they end up on the midnight news. You know what I mean? Yeah, so Monica continues to say, Bumble clot! She screamed and yelled, and she placed two smiley emoji, two laughing emoji, back at the bumble clot, black at the bumble clot, black at the bumble clot, black at the bum. Yes, no, black at the bumble clot, black at the bum, and black at the bumble clot, black at the bumble, black at the black at the bumble clot, 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 black at the bumble. Now I'm in a Congo, up in the jungle, the lion crumble. We tell them for humble, them go on to grumble, them must get a stumble, him could and tumble, but any you tumble, you never know humble, until him see crumble, and watch his lane jungle, and what a for the humble, and what a house crumble, and in the tumble with it, and humble, the black and bumble clap, black and bumble clap, black and bumble, black and bumble, black and bumble clap, black and bumble clap, black and bumble, black and bumble, eh, black and bumble clap, black and bumble clap, black the line you see, black and bumble clap, black the time you see, black the time you see, black the line you see. Please get on trot, don't start, freeze some glass, wax some glass, wash some heart, shut the mass, glass, black and fast, when you glass, woman cast, white would cast, room weight cast, fast with fast, wax with cast, fast with pass, wax with the grass, hash with pass, and last, and loops and fast, and last, bumper clots, floss me a floss and floss with a quart with a half and a staff, grass in a grass, do a bone with the wass and the pussing up. Yo, no don't thief that one day, no. Hey, Monica, I want to collab, you know. Zin? Yeah, after you and Vybz Kartel collab, Zin? Then I want to collab on that song there. We're going to call it Your Comment. When you black of the bumble clock, black of the bumble clock, black of the bumble, black of the yeah, tough. CM Flame Entertainment share this still. Big up yourself, CM Flame. So she went on and continued to say, you know, after all those double and quadruple K's, she said vibes and screamed and yelled with 3 hearts emojis after 3 period ... She yelled her name, Monica, as she's excited to see the world boss celebrated her for her music and how he reminisce being in the 90s, listening to her music and enjoying it. So she's continued to say after the emoji and the black and bumbo clap, black and bumbo clap, black and bumbo, black and bumbo. Yeah, she went on saying, I'm saying it all day. She went exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, LOL, laugh out loud, much love, much respect, woof, woof, boom, boom. You see that? I gotta make sure she one of the comments. She said woof, woof, then woof, woof. Because she know the song with Vybz Kartel and Aishana. You see it? One of the things that them song now gonna wear. Them song louder foreign in them blurt not international space. You see it? Woof, woof. And plus the Kaisenat, him did promote it on Kaisenat, everybody see that. You see me? And you know, after the woof woof, the big song with Aishana and Kartel where she just a promote. See, because people are gonna listen to that now, you know. Them already are run up the views on that and the streaming, you know. On the woof woof with Aishana and Vybz Kartel, just because of Monica says she love that song there, you know, and I boss it in the comments, you know, over Instagram loud, you know, so much 100K likes that are comment getting, you know, 124K likes, 120K likes, you see me? Loudly, proudly, you don't know, Gaza, a touch of cloud, yo, mad, you know. So she say, yo, she said, much love and much respect. Woof, woof. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. And she said, yeah, I'm ready to go to Jamaica. Bombard. And that's how the trouble start. That's how the trouble part. I'm going to go and listen to her song. I'm going to light up this.
Things are free.
You see, nowadays, generation, them now gonna see say the best things are free, you know. They must say, oh, the best things are expensive. But you see, this was free. Him get a free, they both get free shout out. Because Vybz Kartel gave her a free promotion. And she came forward and, reciprocate the love and share it and do the right thing. So we see we are good, attract good. See? Because if she never do that now, we wouldn't know say she's such of a good person. You think a lie? Big up Monica, will love you more. Gaza Nation will support you. Yo, me could go stream some of Monica song them, you know. You see me? And the Cartel them and the woof for that Shana. See? So here with the trouble forward now, cause me rushing at the comments, you know, just for tell them, say, yo, no one Monica, you know, because she may not know about one see them, you know. For the Turk, you know. The Turk, you know. Yo. You see me? Somebody warn her about one see them because Monica says she clearly ready for forward at Jamaica. I've got to go to see the blessing, free up her soul from all this oppression. To the land of Jamaica, to the land of Jamaica. And she's got to go to see the blessing. Don't let them stressing. The land of Jamaica. To the land of Jamaica, yeah, it's a place to be, and it's a place for we, real empress divine. Jamaica is one of a kind, it's a place for me, and it's a place to be, real empress divine. Jamaica is one of a kind. So everybody march up at Jamaica. You want to walk, you want to walk serious, you want to look. You want to walk. Hey, go in the boot and go in all shot and take off the ear and go in all dot. Go farm some gungo and plant up one and farm tomorrow. Yeah, so. But make sure run go in on the comment and blurt and all. Tell them say you want her about the Turks, you know. Seeing? The Turkish. You see me? Yeah, so may I look for that comment, then I'll get some reply or some reaction for see what the Gaza say about the comment. Cause sometimes Gaza people them know to like certain things. I'm kinda outspoken, man, know. Like how Spice got block me, you see me? Yeah, because I'm gonna say similar thing like that, you see me? Cause you don't know, go watch the video where me I talk about Spice, you see it? Yeah man, look for them. Spice block me, you see me? But big up Spice still. Yeah. And Cartel, the nowadays Christ. You see me? While the others are crisis. Hey! Wonder if we stop it here. Monica respond to Vybz Kartel singing her hit. You see that? Po! I'm out, you know.